Hi guys, welcome to my video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share my entire Cartier collection with you guys. So if this is the brand that you love, then this is the video for you. So I'm going to walk you through the pieces that I bought from this brand throughout the years, and I'm going to share a little bit of the pro and the cons from the pieces, but also share a little bit of the wear and tear from certain pieces. So if you'd like to know more about the pieces that I have, or if you're thinking about buying something from Cartier, then this might be the video for you. If you are, by the way, just a jewelry lover or luxury, or just kind of like a little bit of a lifestyle, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, because those are the videos that I make for this channel. And a couple of months ago I also did a Van Cleef video. I shared like my entire collection from Van Cleef. So if you're a Van Cleef lover and you'd like to know more about those pieces, then go down the description box down below. I'll leave a link to that video for you up there. So for now, we're going to focus on the Cartier pieces, and I'm just going to hop right in. Just kind of like a little disclaimer here, you guys. I didn't do my nails today, and especially because I'm going to zoom in and show you guys the jewelry pieces, you're going to notice my nails. But I have a very good reason for that. I went swimming with the kids yesterday, and I just didn't have time from yesterday to today to do my nails. So I'm so sorry for that. But know that we had like a blast. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys and put it out here for today. So that's the reason I didn't like get a chance to do my manicure. Now the first piece that I want to start off with is this beautiful Trinity bracelet. I think it is one of the most affordable things that Cartier sells. So if you want to kind of like start your collection with something, then this would be kind of like a great way to start. I think it's a beautiful bracelet. It just holds like the Trinity pendant here in the middle, and then you have like this colorful band around it. Now, one of the pros of this bracelet definitely has to be that you can go into the Cartier store whenever you want to, and then you can switch up the colors here. And another pro is that you can wear this bracelet like with whatever. If you want to sleep with it, swim with it, do something with it, it's kind of like very much like wear free. You don't have to baby it, you don't have to think about it and stuff like that. Over time, the pendant can become like just a little bit dull, but of course that is like that is because you wear it and just like gold just like gets a little bit scratched up and things like that. But you can also easily let it be polished by Cartier whenever you're in the store. They have like overall a great after service. That's one thing that I really love about Cartier. One of the cons is that since this year they have downsized the color that you can change your bands to. So they used to have almost like 13-15 colors per boutique. Sometimes they had less, but overall you could have like choose from different colors, and every season they had like new colors. From this year you can only choose from 6 colors. So I think that's kind of like a down point, and also it makes it less versatile, but still it is a great bracelet. Now how it works is you put it just like your arm in it, your hand in it, and then kind of like squeeze it through. But you have kind of like knots here on the side, and then you pull the knots until it's kind of like it sits tight around your wrist like this. And I think this is a very cute bracelet to add a little bit more color to any outfit, especially if you have it like in a beautiful like red color like this. But I think the colors they have now are gold, blue, I think red, green, and maybe black. Very limited, but still I think it's really an affordable and good bracelet if you want to start buying something from Cartier. Now I'm not wearing this bracelet anymore because I feel like I have like a good stack, so I gifted this one to my daughter and she has been wearing it non-stop. She really loves it. Now the next piece that I want to share with you guys is this beautiful love ring that I have from Cartier. And it is a very beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. I used to wear it on my ring finger like this. It's a very beautiful and lovely piece. I absolutely think the love ring is such a beautiful, simple ring that just shows a lot. And I definitely, one, I'm a sucker for good stories if a jewelry store has them, and the story behind the love bracelet or the love collection is very beautiful. And I think with that idea, with those thoughts, buying something makes me feel like a little bit nostalgic, you know, like you're diving in someone's experience and the thoughts they had while crafting something beautiful. And I think like the love ring is always going to be something that is very timeless, very classic. It's very kind of like minimalistic, yet so dainty, and you can stack it up or you can wear it just like this. I think I have like the smaller version of it, like the thin version, and I just love the more thin, kind of like minimalistic jewelry. So this one just works really well for me. The next ring that I want to talk about is the Juste un Clou ring. Now again, this one is the smaller model. I love these smaller models, as I said, or the thin versions of the ring. So yes, this is my Juste un Clou, and it is like the regular one without diamonds. It is just like gold. I love it because it's so simple and it's just like something else. And I've just like loved the design so much. I think with everything, like the pro are like the designs is so simple, it's easy to wear. I just love it. One of the cons from the Juste un Clou is sometimes it can get like stuck in anything, especially like if you're wearing your sweaters. In my case, it gets stuck in my hair a lot of times, like when I go like in my hair, just like get stuck in my hair. But otherwise, I just love it so much. It is so dainty, it is so simple, and I wear it every day. So this is like a part of my everyday jewelry. I love it that much. Now the last ring that I have from Cartier is this one, and it is the Juste un Clou in Pavé. So the Pavé Juste un Clou goes like this, and then on the back side it's just like plain. So you only have like the pavé, the diamonds in front. And I just saw this one and I fell in love with it. It is so gorgeous, it is so beautiful, it is so dainty, but at the same time very wearable for each and every day. And I think that is something that I actually love about maybe the Cartier pieces. They're so wearable. I mean, I can wear them like each and every day. This is also like part of my everyday jewelry. And I definitely wear like this one, and then I wear the other Juste un Clou, kind of like this. So it makes it like a full, like a ring like this, like the top of or the head of the screw kind of like click together. I feel like it's such a beautiful and unique way to wear it. I believe that I saw someone doing this. I don't know, like if it was on TikTok or on YouTube. I saw someone that wear their ring like this. And the cute thing about it was because I got this one and I stopped using just the gold one. And I wasn't sure like how to wear it, so it just kind of like lay in my drawer. And then I saw this girl wearing it like this, and I was like, oh my god, I can wear them both, so cute. The next piece that I want to talk about is my bracelet. So I can like have to move forward for this to show you guys. So this is my love bracelet, and it's in the smaller version. So as you can see, here, like it is a little bit thinner than of course the bigger love bracelet. I love this one. I think the Cartier bracelet is one of the most, I know, like most maybe iconic pieces that they have. Everybody knows it, but for me it's the story behind it that really got me like all locked up. If you are a sucker for good stories, then yes, you're going to love the love bracelet. The one thing that I absolutely love about the love bracelet is that you can actually wear it like by itself, and just wearing it alone, it's already something that is so beautiful, so dainty. And again, the same that applies with the love ring, because it's kind of like a flat surface, it will get scratched more than maybe, you know, others. So you can see here, like on top, it's not maybe scratched as much, but if you look like at the bottom of my bracelet, I know like if you can see it, but it is a little bit more scratched than the top side of the bracelet. For me, that is okay. I feel like this just makes the bracelet unique. Now, if you get kind of like fed up with all the scratches, you can go to Cartier and they will polish it for you and make it beautiful and shiny again. But for me, I'm okay with it. It's still beautiful and shiny and I just love it. So for me, I love having the Cartier bracelet. This is, by the way, in the size 16. So I think it's kind of like the smaller size that the love bracelet comes in, or it was the smaller size, but this is actually in size 16 and I love it. So the next bracelet that I have from Cartier is this beautiful Juste un Clou bracelet. This one is also the thin version. It goes on and off like this. So it's kind of like more of a clip system instead of like really like the larger version that you have to kind of like open and close. This one is the simple model without diamonds, without anything on it. It's just like the gold version of it and I actually love it. I just love to kind of like have pieces that I can wear like all the time, but also without being like too flashy or up in your face or something like that. Although sometimes I wish I gotten maybe the one with just like a little bit of diamonds here to break up the gold a little bit that I have like on my arm, but like still I love this one. I love that it is so lightweight, and it's because maybe that I have really small wrists that I feel like the PM version is just more beautiful, and yeah, I just love it. Now in terms of wearing, it's very, very easy to put on. Now I have like my bracelets, all my bracelets on. It might get like a little bit more difficult, but it's pretty easy to take on and off. It just like goes like this. I can like never have trouble with it just like getting stuck into clothes and things. Not as much as I do have like with the rings. So this one goes like pretty easy. I love it. I feel like the wear and tear is amazing, even though I stack them like this. Like my bracelets are still very beautiful, gorgeous. I have like no issues with stocking them, and I feel like it has less scratches than the Cartier Love bracelet. I feel like because it's just less flat, so of course you're going to have less scratches and less surface to see it on. So it's kind of like a pro for this bracelet. Now the last bracelet that I want to talk about that I have from Cartier is this beautiful Panthère bracelet. I am a sucker for kind of like animals jewelry pieces, and as soon as I saw this one I was like, oh my god, this is like so powerful, so beautiful. I just love it. So this is the Panthère one, and it does has, I feel like the most beautiful thing about it is that if you look at it closely, it does has like emerald stones in its eyes, and like if you can see it, and then on its nose, which is black, it's a little piece of onyx. I mean, the craftsmanship from this is like so beautiful. So as you can see, it kind of like goes on and off almost like in the same way as the Juste un Clou. So I really love that system. It goes on and off like pretty quickly. It's very bendable, and I think this one is in the size, I think 15 or 16, 15. I can see, yes. This is also in the size 15, and I think the Juste un Clou is also in the size 15. So to stack them like this, of course, you need to pair them well. So yes, this one is also in the size 15. It goes like this, and it's actually pretty easy to wear. I really love it. In terms of scratches, I feel like this also doesn't scratch that easily. This is also part of my daily jewelry stack. So as you can see, even though I had it for quite some time, it's still like very, very beautiful and almost like, I wouldn't say like scratch free, but it's not dull. So that's like a good sign. So yes, this is the way that I wear like the bracelet. If you have seen my everyday jewelry video, then you know that I just love this deck like this. So yes. Now moving on to almost the last pieces that I have from Cartier are these beautiful ear studs. And I absolutely love them because they're so easy to maintain. They're so carefree. These are actually the only pieces that I just sleep with and shower with and do everything with. I just love them like so much. And one of the things, you guys, that I actually really love about the Cartier earrings, and especially these studs, is that, let me see, like, if I don't, I'm probably kind of like messing with the mic right now, but I hope that the sound will be okay. So, one thing that I want to share with you guys, the reason that I love these studs like so much, I hope that I can show you guys, but it's because the back of the earrings have like this beautiful mechanism from Cartier. When you put it kind of like around it, it doesn't kind of like stick you in the back of your ear. I've like had like so many earrings or studs that are like high in quality or very pricey, and then you can like get like those, I like how you call it, but the back pins or things like that, and then it sticks out, so when you sleep or do something, it just feels super uncomfortable. And I really like the fact that the Cartier earrings just don't have that. So like, to show you guys, like, see if I can like zoom it, they're like really beautiful, just like studs that have like just like the Love logo kind of like on it. It's really beautiful. So they're very simple, easy to wear, and I just like the fact that they're very carefree. I don't have to think about it, and I can even sleep with them. Now the last piece that I'm going to share with you guys today, and this is something that I'm absolutely in love with, and that is my Cartier watch. I love this Tank watch. It's not being sold everywhere anymore, so I think like it's a more hard to get piece today. I think the most are like from the new collection. So this one I think is from the old collection, and I've heard from an essay that a lot of stores don't sell it anymore. I love this watch so much. It is a watch that I literally always wear. Prior to this, I just had like an Apple Watch, and I used to use that a lot. But after I saw this Cartier watch, I just wanted to just wear a regular watch again. And since having this one, it's like my go-to. I feel like it's so beautiful, it's so simple, it's so dainty. I can wear it with literally anything. It is such a beautiful, simple piece. So it's kind of like a little bit smaller like this. So I really love it. Now one might say, especially if you kind of like used to do Rolex, that this might be a little bit more thin, so it might be like something to get used to, but I really love the minimalistic look of it. I feel like it is a little bit heavy because it's gold, but then again, it is so easy to wear and at the same time also carefree. It does get scratched up again a lot because it has a more flat surface, but I don't mind it at all. And if I can, at some point in my life, I will bring it to the boutique, and then they will make it shiny again as new, and it could like pass for like a couple of lifetimes. But I really love it. It is one of my favorite pieces of Cartier, and it's because it's so easy to wear and it's just so beautiful. With that, I'm at the end of my Cartier collection. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment box down below which is your favorite piece, or what pieces did you like to add to your own collection. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!